Hi, Dennis here. Now, this is a really quick call video to talk about DIY land surveys or do-it-yourself land surveys. It's a new service we've put together because we're facing some challenges in some of the countries we're looking at doing projects in to get certified and registered land titles sorted out for some of the land. Now, the challenges, of course, in developing countries, Asia, Africa, South America, is that A, you don't have enough surveys. It's very expensive. The system is not easy to use. So most people have some form of traditional sort of ownership, but that doesn't mean anything when it comes to legal land title. So what we've done, and you have a look at the deck, basically what you do is if you send them 10 GPS trackers, relatively inexpensive, on a loan basis, with a returnable shipping box, they can put the trackers around the boundaries of their land. That then shoots up through a 2G, 4G or LTE, depending on the network they have. It doesn't really matter. Everybody's got at least 2G, and with fade out, probably 3G now. But our trackers allow, whether it's 2G, 4G, LTE, anything else, to send the GPS locations up onto our platform where we can define the boundary. We can also make sure that we've got the areas, everything else. Typically what we think will happen is they'll use the trackers for themselves and for the neighbours. So what we're going to do is charge them per report. Also going to charge them a shipping fee and stuff, but charge them per report. So your report's $50, your neighbour's report $50. Then when you finish, you just put them back in the box and put in the next shipping address, whatever, and off it goes. So it's a relatively simple system. Although logistically we're going to have to build some sort of fairly sophisticated monitoring of devices, but the beauty is the GPS tracking, so we know where they are all the time. But also managing things like battery replacement and whatever else. So there's a few things we're going to work on, but Indonesia is the first port of call. What we're going to do is also working with the licensed surveyors to give them a sort of extra revenue stream as well, so there's no pushback from them. It's all on the deck. But basically what we're doing at the moment is we're setting this up. We want to get it going very quickly. We're looking for $100,000 to buy the trackers, buy the boxes, generally do a bit of IT stuff. And we're ready to roll out for our own projects for a start, which will probably take up all of this. We're thinking about having 50 kits, so 500 units, 50 kits of 10 each. They'll probably take it all up for the first month anyway, because we've got so much land we need to get surveyed. But anyway, have a look at the deck. Any questions, of course, as always, ask me. But I think that it's going to be nice. The issue of land tenure around the world in developing countries is massive and very difficult to sort of get some sort of legality and record of the land you have. This, I think, is going to be a world changer for that. So massive business opportunity. Great impact story as well. But as I said, have a look at the deck. Let me know any questions, and if you're interested, let me know. Thanks, bye.